Well, hello there. So we're on the 28th of January 2020 and you could see an absolutely lovely delivery here. So we are now nearing the end of January and I'm really starting to think about things here. So I ordered these last autumn. They didn't have any in stock at the time and they said they were going to be delivered, I think it was February time. So now we are, end of January. So here it is. So let's open these up and have a look. Now, 3 guesses what indeed is here. Have a look. Now this is going to be very difficult doing this one-handed, okay? But I'm convinced it can be done. So, right. Oh, this is not easy actually. I'm going to persevere. Oh. I wonder if I can put the nothing to perch it on. Oh, I'm just going to hold it like this, okay? Sorry if this is making you a bit seasick. Well, hey, look at that, look, the old... Oh, it's snowing newspaper clipping. Now, these are 2 grapevines, okay, and the variety should be... Yep, here we go, Rhea. Okay, just get this into... Seedless eating grape. Beautiful large pink oval fruits are sweet and juicy, suitable for outdoor and protected cropping. So I seriously suggest you check out this variety Rhea, okay? I had the privilege of trying some Rhea grapes late summer, autumn time, and they really make a good size. I think they're a variety from Slovakia, so you really want to look into that. Now, looking at these sticks here, they don't look the best specimens. Now, I haven't got an issue with this because I purchased some other grapevines from Victoriana last year, and they are very much the same sort of condition as these. They've been grafted, and they look a bit unimpressive, but they do actually grow on. In fact, let's go outside and have a look. Right, okay, so these are 2 varieties that I got from Muller Thurgau, okay? I ordered this about a year or so ago, and you can see it put out a bit of growth there, so it has indeed, it's put out some growth, and I can also feel that, you look at that it's also rooted, okay? And this one here is Venus, okay? And I'll just put it there so you can read it if you wish. Sorry about this, I've got the light on the mobile phone camera. There you go. There you go. You can see that. So that's a juicy grape, eating or juice grape, whatever. But there you go. And that one. And that's the Muller Thurgau. So I put them into these pots, and they have put out some roots. So, no problems if you order grapevines like this from Victoriana or wherever. They do grow on. They just look a little bit sort of, when you get them out of the packet. But don't worry too much. Yes, so very good. They've been true to their word, and now they were, I think, $14.95 each. Okay, now that does. Some people might think that sounds a bit steep, but I don't, because I have seen a Rhea grapevine in all of its glory, and the amount of fruit that the door keeps swinging open. The amount of fruit that you get off of it is absolutely amazing, and the taste as well is very good. So, because a lot of people talk about grapes that they get, UK grown grapes, so they're all small and sour. Well, they're not actually, and Rhea in particular is not small. They make a good size, grape. Certainly they wouldn't look out of place, in the greengrocers or the supermarket or whatever. Lovely pink colour. So I suggest you check that out, variety Rhea and or Rhea. But all being well, I'm going to be producing some lovely crops. So I'm not going to be potting these up tonight because there's other things to do. But so over the weekend, I'm probably going to pot these up. They should be okay. They're moist. Leave them in there. So 2 lovely grapevines, variety Rhea. If you like my work, please feel free to like, share and subscribe, and you can always check me out on Dan_Home Gardens if you are interested. Speak soon and see you next time.